Have you ever felt overwhelmed by managing projects? Don't worry. In this video, we'll explore how Wrike can optimize your project management tasks. Project management involves juggling multiple activities, deadlines, and responsibilities. Wrike offers templates that make this easier. Let's dive into some of the key templates available. First, there's the Gantt chart template. This tool allows you to break large projects into actionable items. You can assign due dates and track your team's progress efficiently. It's customizable to fit your workflow. Next, we introduce the project risk analysis template. When managing multiple projects, priorities can become unclear. This template helps you gauge, classify, and communicate risks. You can mitigate these risks before they disrupt your project timeline. Now, think about complex projects. Wrike's phased approach enables you to manage intricate tasks easily. Break down your project into smaller phases. You can set due dates for each task and visualize your progress on a timeline. For daily tasks, the Daily Activities Tracker can be a game changer. It allows you to set achievable goals for each day. You'll feel accomplished as you tick off completed tasks. Lastly, we want to mention Wrike's enhanced search experience. This is powered by Google's Vertex AI technology. It's important to use this responsibly and never input sensitive information. So, to recap, Wrike's templates simplify project management, from Gantt charts to risk analysis. You can manage complex projects and track daily tasks efficiently. Ready to make project management easier? Visit Wrike today and explore these fantastic features for a more organized workflow.